Excuse me?
All right, now you're under arrest.
Okay.
Here, this is Detective Sinclair right in front of you. He'll explain kind of what's going on.
Okay.
A police officer named Detective Drew Sinclair went undercover pretending to be a 13-year-old named Claire. Then, the detective created a fake online post, which baited a 42-year-old man named Ross to start responding to the post. So Ross starts texting the fake account, which is ran by Detective Sinclair. The detective sends Ross a fake picture of so-called Claire. Ross then books a hotel and texts Claire the receipt. They talk to him about paying her $700 for the night, even mentioning other crazy things as well. So Ross confirmed with the receipt that he booked the hotel at the Comfort Inn, offered to pay Claire money, and offered to pay for birth control as well. So detectives tracked Ross down at Lake Roosevelt Elementary School, where he was working during the school holiday.
Hi there. Are you Mr. Ashenfelter?
Hi.
Are you Mr. Ashenfelter?
Yeah, hi.
Hey, I'm Detective Hoffman's Sheriff's Office.
Yeah, hi.
Right now I want to tell you you're under arrest, so do me a favor, stand up, put your hands behind your back for me.
Excuse me?
All right, now you're under arrest.
Okay.
Here, this is Detective Sinclair right in front of you. He'll explain kind of what's going on.
Okay. Sure.
I have reason to believe that you've been in communication, inappropriate communication,
Okay.
with a 13-year-old child that lives in home.
Okay.
So Officer Sinclair does not let Ross know that it was him that he was actually messaging instead of the girl on the fake account.
Apparently you told her at some point last week that you were going to come meet up with her,
Yeah.
and she, and then you didn't. So she told her mom that she'd been talking to a teacher. We did some investigation and found out that that teacher was you.
Okay.
So that's why we're here.
Okay.
Okay?
Any weapons or anything on you, sir?
No.
No.
I would like to talk to you a little bit about what's been going on,
Okay.
to see what your mentality was, why you did or didn't show up in Ellensburg. I'm relieved that you did not.
No.
But I would still like to talk to you about that because it is something that she said was an ongoing conversation for quite some time.
Mhm.
And we have all of those text communications between you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So right now I want to make sure you know that we are recording.
Okay.
Right now you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law.
Okay.
You have the right this time to talk to a lawyer, have him present with you while you're being questioned. You can afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer questions or make any statements. You understand the rights I read to you?
Yes, I do. No statements.
No statements? Okay.
Yeah.
Assuming this is going to be important, we're going to want to take this with you.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes. Okay. What's the process here?
So like Detective Sinclair said, he'd like to speak with you, but of course you have the right to not speak to anybody if you don't want to.
And he's decided not to.
He doesn't want to make these statements right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is these guys will transport you back to Ellensburg, and you're going to get booked into the Kittitas County Jail for communication with the minor for criminal purposes.
Is there a simpler way to do this?
Like how?
Instead of booking and.
Well, it's a Class C felony, and we
Okay.
take communications and the potential, like you took some pretty good steps towards wanting to have sex with a child. So that's a big deal to us.
Okay.
It should be a big deal to you.
Yes, yes.
So I guess I'm failing to understand how you would like to simplify things.
It did not happen. So
You didn't communicate with a child?
I never met with her and I never intended to.
No,
Yeah.
okay. I don't want to ask you any questions because
Yeah.
you've said that you don't want to provide a statement right now.
Yeah.
I would like to know more of what your version of events and your side of the story is, but until you decide that you kind of want to waive your Miranda rights and have that conversation, I really can't ask you any questions, okay?
Okay, so I have to go to Eldenburg?
Yes.
How long is this process?
You'll go to court tomorrow, and then bail will be set.
Am I going to prison?
That's out of my wheelhouse. That's not anything.
I mean, jail. Do I need to stay the night or jail?
Yeah, you'll have to see a judge before. You'll have to go to an arraignment or probable cause hearing for the judge to determine that there's probable cause, and then he'll set a bail amount. And basically, if you do bail out, some criteria that you have to follow, and one of them is probably going to be that you don't have any contact with children.
Okay.
So you probably won't be allowed back to the school for the foreseeable future,
Okay.
at least until your case is adjudicated.
Is there any way, or I'm not going to run and I'll show up, is there any way to not need to go all the way to Ellensburg?
No, we're going to Ellensburg today.
Okay.
Like I said, I've read all of the text communication between you and this child, and it's highly inappropriate for
It is.
any adult to have with a child, let alone a fourth grade teacher.
Okay.
Do you have any more questions for me?
Is it necessary to handcuff me? I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, right now, when we get to the car and you're sitting down, we'll move into the front because it is a long drive and they do kind of suck behind your back. But our policy requires us to have people in our car in handcuffs.
But they will be moved to the front of your body.
Yeah, but we'll move in the front so you're not sitting on it the whole time. Okay, let's head down to the car.
The search warrant does include your car. We're going to search.
Well, my students will not be ready for tomorrow.
Okay. The chief's going to contact the superintendent and let them know.
You have my phone?
Yeah, it's in there. We're going to serve a warrant on it.
How far away are your medications?
Right there, because she's for union rep. I'm going to Ellensburg to be booked.
Okay.
You probably want union rep for service.
Okay.
little shock right now. So I'm going to contact my brother.
And what do you want me to?
Write that down.
I've been booked
Okay.
for inappropriate communications, but I have done nothing. So,
Okay.
how long is the booking process?
It depends on how busy the jail is. Typically pretty quick though.
Okay. Can I stay overnight or get released?
You'll stay overnight.
Okay. Yeah, online communication is want to avoid it. Yeah, not good. Not good at all. I prefer that way to see less people potentially.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I get that. I'd want the same thing.
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry. I've just I have a personal request. If so, okay, please. I'm really sweaty. Is it possible
I
to take
can
off my sweater? Oh, thank you, sir. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. You guys are very professional, and I appreciate that. Thank you. Okay. I'm just sweating, and thank you. I was just sweating a bunch. I was like, should I ask or not?
No problem.
Thank you. I was just sweating a bunch. Like, should I ask
I
or
know, you're
not?
right in the sun. You want me to close this back up and
Thank
just
you.
try to get the AC going?
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Ross was charged with communication with a minor for immoral purposes. He was released after posting $100,000 bail. Ross pleaded not guilty to the felony charge in Superior Court. His trial is set for January 14, 2026. The Kittitas County Sheriff's Office urges anyone with information related to this case to contact them.